Okay, today we're looking at answering true statement questions, but that's just one of the things that we're going to learn today. Um, this one is with respect to the visual text section in your comprehension, oh sorry, in your paper two, basically your visual text section. It's the one where they give you a poster and then you have to answer questions about the poster. And when they ask you like, oh, which of the following statements are true, which of the following statements are false, that kind of thing, you know that you have to pick carefully, right? And just because you find an answer that sounds very likely to be correct, that doesn't mean that you should ignore the rest and don't continue reading the other options as well. So you have to check all four options to make sure you have the correct one. But there's only one and only one that's correct. So that's the main thing we're looking at today. Just to update you guys on your current class dojo points. Sorry, sometimes I might pause for a bit because need to cough for a little bit. But these are your current class dojo points over here. Let me just shift you guys away. Okay, so Callista is 141, Clarice is 376, Prenton is 177, Grace is 158, Jovi is 114, Sanvi is 453. She's currently holding the highest points in the class. Toby is at 300 because Toby has exchanged some stuff with me. Zero is at 19 currently, and Zoe is at 376. Okay, now where did Sanvi go to? Oh, there we go. She's back. I was just telling everyone how you are like you have the most points in the class, Sanvi. And then I say, oh, let's have a look at Sanvi, and then like, hey, where did Sanvi go to? Oh man, okay. So let's have a look at the questions. Visual text first. You guys know what this is all about. True, false, true or false statements kind of questions. So for example, this one, right? Based on the flyer, which of the following is true? And then you just have to do like a you have to do like an elimination kind of thing. Just make sure that you've read through all four and that there's only one answer left. Okay? So like Claire can register you for the contest. Let's have a look. Please, if you have any questions, please contact Claire. Huh? Can she register you for the contest? I don't think so. Register. It says here register for the contest by 31st December. But it doesn't say that Claire can register it for me, what? So this is obviously false, isn't it? So A is false. Then B. Songs must be based on real creations. No, that's not true. It could be a cover version or based on your creation. It doesn't mean that it must be based on real creations. So this is false. Yeah? And then C, you must sing a song that's longer than 3 minutes. No, you have to sing the song in less than 3 minutes. So this is false. Last one, your school will get a medal if you win the contest. Yeah, there we go. And a medal for the singer school. So this is true. So for this one, we've gone through all four, and then we have finally decided that D is the only correct answer because we're looking for true. But we didn't immediately pick D. We needed to make sure that it's A, B, and C, right, as well. Now, even if A was actually the true answer, right, you still need to go and find out B, C, D, right, whether they're really, really wrong or not, just in case. Okay? Always good to be careful. Here comes Franson. Okay, everyone's here. That's good. Oh, no, no, no. Not Zero is here. Franson is here. But where's Toby? Toby's not here. Where did Toby go? Where did Mr. Toby go? Ah, okay, okay, Zero is here. Yes, yes, yes. Just now when Zero's head disappeared, right? And then I saw the background, there was like some what's that in the background, Zero? There's like this very tall pillar thing in the back. It's like a slanted kind of pillar. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, yeah. What do you guys think about the next one? Give me your answers for the next part. Jovi. Hey, very naughty, these people. The moment they know they can annotate, they anyhow draw nonsense on my screen. What's the correct answer for this one?
Oh, okay, hello.
Hi, Franson.
I couldn't unmute, but now I can.
Okay. Send me your answer for this question. It is just like a trial question, but it's worth 2 points. Which
Okay,
one is false?
oh no. Oh no. I'm not even ready yet. I was 3 minutes late because my network got a bit problem.
Okay, no worries.
你好，我是王，小美
Zoe,
丽王。
Grace, Clarice, and Sanvi have answered. Melissa has answered as well.
This is 100% correct.
Okay. Now, no more retracting of your answers, okay? So I think everyone has answered. Let me just double check.
Yeah,
Oh no,
yeah,
Cyril
yeah.
hasn't answered yet. Hold on. Cyril hasn't answered. I
Oh
think,
no.
hold on. Zoe has answered. Sanvi has answered. Paris has answered. Yeah.
Man, the screen is too small.
Okay, Cyril has answered. Okay.
Can I do this?
Mhm.
Yeah, oh, I can.
Benson, mute
Yeah,
yourself. Everyone can hear you talking to yourself.
okay.
Please mute yourself. Okay. So the answer for this is actually A. Okay, so those of you who put C, you're wrong. So only Clarice and Zoe has gotten the answer over here.
Oh, I know why. I know why.
Yes, because look at this.
The number. Oh my God.
6888
Oh my God.
1388. Huh? It's 1288, isn't it?
I thought that was two.
This is false. C is true. The top three will win more than $300. The top three will win $500 vouchers. Is $500 more than $300?
Yes.
Yes, this is true. Okay, can we find more information at 88tsingingcontest.com.sg? Yes, we can. This is true. All participants need to register by 31st December. This is true. So there's only one that's false. And the answer is A. All right, so Zoe and Clarice, all right, good job. Very sharp. Okay, next. Which one is true?
Which one is true? Oh, oh, yeah, this is so risky. Teacher,
Yes.
how many points is this worth?
2.
Oh, wait, are you back at Sydney yet?
No.
Oh,
Only after Chinese New Year.
oh yeah. I
Mm.
thought it was this week.
Okay, let me check the answers. Clarice, Callista, Sunvi, Benson, Grace, Zoe, Jovi, um,
Yeah.
okay. Waiting for I think just 0, I believe. Yeah. Alright. Very, very exciting. Callista. Callista has a camp starting this Thursday. A P5 camp.
What? So fast? Mine's at August eh.
Oh,
My
okay.
school changed it to August for some reason.
Looks like they have
They
it
just
early.
suddenly say I'm so
Okay. So I think most of you actually got it correct. The answer is wait, hold on, let me just double check. Yes. Okay. So the answer is actually C.
let's go.
Okay, so which of the following is true? You need to register the language of the song in advance, right? Here it says, please register the language of the song in advance. So this is actually true. Okay, I'll use a different color for the rest so it's easier for you to see. Songs need to be sung in less than 2 minutes. That's not
Um,
true. This is false because it says sing the song in less than 3 minutes, not 2 minutes, right? 3
wait,
minutes.
teacher,
Yeah,
did I get it wrong or correct?
you got it correct.
Yes.
Okay, only English songs can be sung. This is false because here it says what? It can be sung in English or your mother tongue. And then the last one, Claire can explain the rules
Yeah.
and regulations. Yes, she can. Because if you have any questions about the competition, you can call Claire. Claire can do that for you. Any questions, yeah? So you can ask her questions about the rules and regulations. Okay? Oh, hold on, sorry, wait. If you have any questions, please contact, oh, sorry, no. If you want the rules and regulations, you have to go to this website here.
88contest.com.
All right. So Claire, for other questions that are apart from rules and regulations, Claire doesn't want to. I'm pretty sure Claire can explain it to you if she wants to, but I don't think she should because they have a website for it already. So this is false. Okay. So therefore, the answer here is C. Joey, why do you put B? You already wrote C just now. Okay. So I think yeah, select multiple. Except for Zoe and Zero. What if we got 2?
Yay.
Okay. Next. Oh, it's not Zoe and Zero, sorry, it's Grace. Sorry. Zoe gets 2. Sorry, Grace after -2 for me.